Okay, so I asked 100 different women, what's your cologne of choice? What cologne do you love smelling on your man? Answers varied, of course, but some colognes definitely stood out from the rest. So here are the results. Each of these colognes were mentioned just one time. Nautica Voyage got 3 votes. 5 different women said that they loved YSL. Versace, Eros, and Creed each got 7 votes. 8 women loved Chanel Blue, and 10 women said they loved some variation of Polo Ralph Lauren. Some said blue, some said red, 10 said polo. 14 women said Giorgio Armani's Acqua di Gio was their favorite, and a whopping 23 women, okay, that's not whopping, but 23 women said the dior Sauvage was their cologne of choice. Now, Sauvage's popularity online inspired me to make this brain snack. But to actually see the real life results from my survey confirm my suspicions about his popularity, it's pretty rewarding, I have to say. Now, not long ago, scientists uncovered exactly what drives women crazy about these colognes. And now it's your turn. Attraction and sexuality are the result of chemistry. Thousands of chemical reactions happening in millions of neurons, texting each other like teenagers about who and what turns you on. And no other sense stimulates their chatter quite like the sense of smell. The olfactory network, responsible for picking up information about dinner, about danger, and about dating, heavily influences our choices in mates, particularly in women whose vomeronasal organ has a heightened ability to detect pheromones released by other human beings. Indeed, one study published in Evolution in Human Behavior found that women ranked a man's smell as much more important for attraction than his looks or pretty much any other social markers. Men rated a woman's looks as most important. Still though, when researchers figured out what was happening in the neurons and noses of women sniffing colognes like Dior Sauvage or Giorgio Armani's Acqua di Gio, it was still quite alarming because other traditional fragrances simply failed to produce the same response. According to a robust study published in the scientific journal Neuroimage in 2015, a chemical called methyl dihydrojasminate, or more commonly known as hedione, activated areas in the limbic system significantly more strongly than other floral fragrances. Hedione, a citrus-smelling scent found in jasmine flowers, stimulated specific regions in the hypothalamus much more strongly in women than they did in men. Moreover, this activation was nearly identical to the brain crackling that occurs when women are sexually aroused. In other words, this chemical was literally turning women on whether or not they consciously realized it. And again, this response was totally absent when they smelled other commonly used scents like phenylethyl alcohol. Hedione, sometimes called the scent of success, is appropriately named after the Greek word for lust and pleasure. It is an icon in the perfume making industry, not only because of its floral warmth, but because of this ability to drive women wild. So if reproductive success is the kind of success we're talking about, go ahead and grab you one of these colognes, which are known to contain the chemical. Now, of course, making a perfume is complex business. Complicated further still by the fact that we all process fragrances slightly differently. No one chemical can make a cologne a slam dunk for you or your man. This selection process is as personal as we are unique. But with the right mixture of compounds and confidence, the right cologne can make your man simply irresistible. If you found anything useful or interesting in this video, please like and comment and let me know what it is. If you think someone else will find it useful, don't hog all the snacks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at snack time.